found love, for real love. Let this be the real thing.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. My name is Lynn White and we are here to do a motivating speed clean. But you guys know I'm going to start that cleaning with a little bit of coffee because coffee is my love language. You guys know this. I actually got a birthday reward and I just got a big old cold brew with a little bit of almond milk. But I wanted to be able to stretch it over a few days, so I got a little bit of the sweet cream to go, and I'm making my own.
With you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so.
On this particular day, my motivation was nowhere in sight. And I mean nowhere. So I just had to push through and buckle down and try to get as much done as possible. But it was really, really hard. And I always tell you guys, just do it for 10 minutes and the motivation will come. Well, this took me all day. I could not stay focused. I was so distracted. So I struggled, but I still got stuff done. So that's a win in my book.
On a high, my body yearns.
On another note, trying to stretch things out, you guys, I was trying to get my hair to last one more day. We had a wedding to go to the next day, and I did not want to wash it this day, so I put a little conditioner in it, rinsed it real well, and tried to kink it up and make it curly. I have naturally wavy hair, and so I was trying to embrace the hair. I think look a little bit like Bon Jovi. You 80s mamas know what I'm talking about, but I was doing the best I could.
It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling.
When I was planning, I noticed Miss Willow decided to get in this basket. She gets in all of my baskets, all of my bags, boxes, shoe boxes, it doesn't matter. Look at her. She's a mess. This is the new coffee table that I got and I love it. I love the warmth of the wood. I'm not done with this room. I picked out a paint color. Can't wait to show it to you guys. But I am loving this coffee table. I think it's probably my favorite thing so far in this house. And you guys know I gotta add a little bit of animal print, cheetah print, leopard print. I don't know what kind of print this is, but it was making me happy, making me feel some joy. So I put it on my couch and it's super soft.
Question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together?
That beautiful wool plaid blanket was straight from the homeland people, straight from Ireland. My mom brought it back home and it is amazing.
White walls with big windows up on the third floor in our chateau.
So Chris came home from work, working his second job, y'all. Amazing man right here. And he knew my motivation was lagging because he saw me post it on Instagram. And he came home and he's like, yeah, I can see that. Let me help you out. So He is doing the dishes for me. Man, this man is amazing. I'm so thankful for him. He just comes home and he's always wanting to serve. And honestly, when he steps in, it makes me feel like, okay, girl, you got to get up. You got to get your stuff done.
We just get a place together. Wake up at your place. Wake up at mine. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
We are home, and Noah has been such a good boy and so kind and using his manners, and the boys have all just been really fantastic. So Daddy brought some Krispy Kreme home. I did not have not even one. No way, but the kids did. And Noah is in there saying, hey.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stay too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay all night.
I'm going to wipe down my coffee machine. It always gets so many splatters on it. And I'm honestly thinking about getting a Nespresso. Is that how you say it? Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys have one of those Nespressos? I need some espresso in my life. Let me know. And if you noticed, I most certainly did use Barkeeper's Friend. I think I said that right. Cooktop cleaner in my sink. I figured, hey, why not? And it worked pretty darn good. Make sure to let me know if you guys are new here. If you're new, let me know in the comments below that you're new so I can give you a warm welcome and let me know where you're from. I'm in Florida. It is hot here still. Got a little taste of fall. I saw 79 and that made me very happy. I'm going to put some lemon essential oil in my garbage disposal to make it smell so fresh.
Where you gonna head off to, but I know that you'll go where your heart's at. You might cross the sea, what will be, wanna make this adventure with you. Love me like a stranger, like a melody, flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique, run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger.
I'm so sad I let my son use my wireless headphones, the black ones that I used to carry around my neck, and they no longer work. So I was trying to use my regular headphones. Cannot do that while trying to clean. It was in the way. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions for some affordable, and I mean affordable, wireless headphones. So I'm going to finish doing this laundry here. This was a part of my cleaning. The baskets always migrate into my room, usually because I don't want to leave the mess right in the living room. But the problem with that is I will often overlook it. So this was a part of the list that I had to get done. I mean, this took me all day, you guys. I was so distracted. Honestly, it's like my phone is a blessing and a curse. I've got to do a better job at just putting it down. But I've got a cute little helper there. Willow was so sweet and hung out with me all day.
Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and swing through the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swing through the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Come live a little bit of what you dream. Don't get stuck in what you cannot be. About time you drop that fight.
I'm going to continue putting these clothes away. Chris likes to have his clothes separated. So t-shirts on one side, collared shirts on the other, and work shirts on another. So I just went ahead and separated his before I put the hangers in to make it easy to put them all away at once.
Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and swing through the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swing through the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun.
So I am done putting his clothes away, and now it's my turn to work on my clothes, and that is going to be it for today's cleaning. I hope it motivated you. I made sure to add a lot of really upbeat, motivating music. If it's going to get me up and cleaning, I hope it does the same for you. You don't have to spend all day cleaning your house, but just, if you can, make a list, because that always helps, and just focus on some things. Put your phone away, put some music on, and get at it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you join my YouTube family, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Bye guys.